Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to share contact photo and name on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Contacts app. Then click on All Contacts. Select My Card. Now locate and click on Shared Name and Photo. Scroll down. Locate Name and Photo Sharing. And then turn this on. Then you should see your name. And then come to Share Automatically. Click on it. And set this to Contact Only. If you want to always ask, set this to always ask. But preferably, set it to Contact Only. Now this is going to share your name and photo on your iPhone. And once you are done, click on the check mark at top right. Hang on a few seconds. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to share contact photo and name on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.